This video explains how to use CRP5 to calculate RAM rise, and we are starting right now. Hello and welcome to Answering ATPL. The focus of this channel is to provide solutions for EASA ATPL questions and other aviation-related stuff. Let me know, in the comments section below, if you are currently taking ATPL theoretical examination. This video is the 12th video of a series of videos explaining the usage of CRP5 computer face. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing to my channel, and click on the bell icon to get notified when I published a new video. The blue scale on the computer face of CRP5 is for calculating RAM rise. Reading from temperature gauge gives us RAM air temperature, or RAT. RAT can also be called as indicated outside air temperature, or IOAT. RAT corrected for temperature sensor error, or also known as recovery factor, will give us total air temperature, or TAT. RAT and TAT are higher than static air temperature, SAT. This phenomenon is happening because of adiabatic compression and kinetic heating. To learn more about this subject, check out my other video titled Air Temperature, Measurement of Air Data Parameters. The link is available in the description, or you can click on I icon on the top right-hand corner. Static air temperature is sometimes called as corrected outside air temperature, or COAT. OAT means outside air temperature and usually taken to mean static air temperature. The relation between them is that total air temperature equals static air temperature plus RAM rise. On the computer face of CRP5, there is a blue scale. The outer scale is true airspeed, and the inner scale is temperature RAM rise. If the TAS is 400 knots, the RAM rise is approximately plus 17 degrees Celsius. If, at 400 knots TAS, we have total air temperature of minus 22 degrees Celsius. What is static air temperature? Recalling the formula, total air temperature equals static air temperature plus RAM rise. Transpose the formulas so that static air temperature will be the subject. Static air temperature equals total air temperature minus RAM rise. Next, we plug in the value. Static air temperature equals minus 22 minus, plus 17. Static air temperature equals minus 39 degrees Celsius. What do you think of this video? Please let me know in the comments section below. If you feel this video is beneficial for you, please like the video. In doing so, you are helping others to find the video. And don't forget to subscribe. If you want to learn more about ATPL or aviation, start now by hitting the round subscribe icons. Also, if you have any questions or comments about ATPL or aviation-related problems, you can leave them in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.